1. Assemble stacking part. 1.1. Connect this power cable and adjuster. Stacking part same height. Then I'm going. As a loading line, you have to put stacking part and a loading line in same straight line. 1.2, we can put some cap to check stacking part whether in right status. If all stacking in right position, that means okay. We have put here the stacking part stocking and the unloading line in same straight line, and here this stacking stock low a little than this unloading line. Then we can insert the air tube. Then open the switch. Then you can see parameter with air pressure. You can check this. If a cup, you can move this part to adjust the quantity. When the cup are around here, this part will separate the cup, and here will push the cup to the stacking stock. You can see when the cup reach quantity, then this part will push the cup to the stacking stock.